Today's Monday, May 9th. This is the 1976-77 Cadillac Eldorado Power Hydro Booster Unit and Master Cylinder combination for my friend Victor in California. This unit arrived to me as an attempted self-repair, completely fragmented and in pieces, and it's been a labor of love for the last week and a half, completely rebuilding this unit and doing a show quality restoration, full rebuild, and calibration of this high performance hydraulically actuated brake assist system. So this is the original 1976 Cadillac Eldorado gas charge induced hydro booster and master cylinder for the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado. This is for my friend Victor. This will be shipping out today as soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, including these brake boosters, both in the hydro gas charged variants, such as the 76, as well as the predecessor vacuum assist units from 67 through 74. So I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1978. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, such as these high-performance hydraulic actuated braking assist units. Today is Monday, May 9th. Thank you very kindly.